Portwell FUDA4 Series. All-in-one industrial touch solutions engineered for performance, reliability, and adaptability. Built to lead the edge of industrial intelligence. Designed for rugged reliability, FUDA4 features a fanless architecture for silent, long-term operation even in noise-sensitive environments. Its wide temperature range from -25°C to 65°C ensures stability across extreme conditions from factory floors to outdoor sites. With TPM 2.0 security, FUDA4 protects data integrity and guarantees a secure system boot for mission-critical deployments. Equipped with onboard eMMC and M.2 storage expansion, it balances stability with high-speed data performance. Integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support delivers flexible, cable-free connectivity for industrial edge applications. From machine control to HMI terminals and remote monitoring, FUDA4 Series adapts to diverse industrial needs. Modular I/O design of FUDA4 Series enables quick customization, while multiple screen sizes deliver optimized user experience anytime and anywhere. Portwell FUDA4 Series, rugged design, intelligent control, limitless adaptability. For more solutions, contact Portwell.